Hey, buddy. Want some french fries? Sorry, goofball.
Say hi to everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hey, what's happening here? What do you think you're doing? Come right here. What happened? Sit down. Hey, sit. You cannot be acting like this. That's your sister, and she's older than you.
If you don't behave, you're not coming back tomorrow. Ayo.
Look, my baby, I bought this for you.
Just need to get a water for the gym, and that's not a water.
Good morning, little kitty. You're looking very pretty. Huh?
So you come here often?
Clean water. Come out.